Welcome to another featured property brought to you by Amado Romero and Carolynn Castillo from the #1 real estate brokerage in the world, eXp Realty. Now, this property is located in the beautiful Deerwood Estates. This property features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bath, an outdoor patio area, and it also comes equipped with hurricane accordion shutters throughout the entire home. Let's go take a look inside. Hey, come on in. So starting here in the living room, as you can see, this living room is combined with the dining room area. What I like most about this living room is that it has this beautiful high ceilings. You know, with the holidays coming right around the corner, this is a great spot where you can actually buy yourself a 10-foot Christmas tree and you still have a lot of room to put a place to start. Now, I just want to take you outside just so you can see the patio area. Follow me. This is a great outdoor patio area, especially if you're going to host any type of events. And with the upcoming holidays right around the corner with Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's, this is a great space to host a nice Thanksgiving dinner, or of course a little, New Year's Eve party. So let me take you inside the house and let me show you the first bedroom. Follow me. Come on in. So, as you exit the living room area, you enter here the first bedroom. The first bedroom, as you can see, is really nice. Okay, it's nice and spacious. You have a lot of natural lighting. You have the ceiling fan, of course, to keep you nice and cool. And as you walk through the bedroom, what I like most about this room is that you have your own laundry room. Here's the washer and dryer. Real good, really nice. And this is my favorite part of the whole house, as you can tell, the kitchen. This kitchen is very spacious. As you can see, you have the stainless steel appliances. You have the wood cabinets. And the cool part about this kitchen is that you have the bar top area right here. So you can go ahead and cook for the family. They can sit right up here and enjoy their breakfast, lunch, or dinner. As we go throughout the house, I'm going to walk you through here real quickly so you can go ahead and see the 3 bedrooms that we have located. Here we have one of the bathrooms. As you can see, the bathroom is nice and full bathroom, right? And then you have one of the other rooms. This is the second bedroom. This second bedroom, again, it has, very spacious. You have a window right there. You have your closet. Let me walk you over to the third bedroom. Here, the third bedroom. This bedroom is actually the cat's bedroom. Yes, the homeowners are animal lovers. This bedroom is dedicated to their one cat. The cat's name is Accordion. Beautiful little black cat. You can see you have a window here as well. You also have another closet. Let me go ahead and walk you over to the master bedroom. This master bedroom is pretty cool. So the master bedroom, of course, you have a walk-in closet. Just to go ahead and show you the walk-in closet. You have a walk-in closet right there. You also have a full bathroom as well, as you can see. Now, what's cool about this master bedroom is that you also have these French doors. What's cool about these French doors is that the French doors also have the screens inside the glass. So there's no need to actually put any curtain rods, any curtains at all, because the screens go up and down, you can close them. Now the cool thing about this is that it actually leads to the outside. So if you want to go ahead and walk outside, you just open up the French doors, walk outside, and one of my favorite parts of this whole entire house is that you have a clear water canal back there. What do I mean by that? I mean that you can actually see to the bottom of the canal. Let me walk you over. Come on. Watch your step there. Now you have all this extra space if you want to host a really big party. You just cut the grass. You can put tables out here. You can put up a tent. It's awesome. Now check out this canal. Look at this. Look how beautiful this canal is. You know, you never find canals that are this clear out here in South Florida. But in the back of your own home, your future home, you have yourself a beautiful clear canal. Now, if you're interested in this property, once again, it's located in the beautiful Deerwood Estates. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, and also located in Miami area. You also have Zoo Miami located right up the street. Now, this Saturday, November 6th, I will be hosting an open house from 11 to 3 p.m. So if you're interested, please contact us. The information is down below. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Stay safe. Thank you very much for taking this tour. I hope to see you at the open house Saturday, November 6th from 11 to 3. Have a good day.